Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Customs. Picked up another ride. You'll never guess what this thing is. It's pretty cool. But let's walk over there. I'll show you the front end first. It's already taken off of it, but I'm tickled with it, and I think it'll make a really cool fixer-upper. Nope, not that one. Not that one. Definitely not that one. Here's the front end to it. At least you know the name brand of it. Yeah, the front end don't look that bad. And I do have the rest of the front end. Here's what's left of the seats. The hood looks really good. Yeah, I was tickled with it. Well, what did we buy? Bam. 46. And this is a Ford. What do they call it? Super Deluxe or Special Deluxe? This is the Super Deluxe, I do believe. And this thing is just a whole lot of cool. Now, we won't be using that flathead in there. But the rust is very minimal for a 46. And that's what I was happy with, and that's why I bought it. We do have the fenders. And we do have the trunk. See all the parts in there. It's just chock full of parts, trim parts and things. Here's the other fender. It looks a little rough, but ain't nothing that we can't fix. And this here, as you can tell, is a 4-door. But here's the cool part. It's a suicide door. As you see, this thing was maroon. And that is a factory maroon color. Done a little digging and looking up on this. And I wish I could see that print on that door. But this is an ex-police car. And yes, they did make a police car with the maroon color. I just can't think of the state right now. I looked it up, but it's been about a week or so ago. But this thing is just all manners of cool. So they got plenty of parts. Man, the doors work great on this thing. Yeah, all the interior parts and everything are here. Of course, we've got my glass and stuff for it. Gauges look good. Yes, sir, even came with the clock. And as you can see, here's the rest of the gauges in there. They look really good. Yeah, no cracks, no busts. I can see the gaskets are bad, but no big deal. Yes, I just always did like these suicide doors. I just thought they were a really, really cool look. And being as it's a 46, that just makes it even cooler. Well, project number 365, no doubt. Well, everybody, I think this one will be a really, really cool project. Like I say, 46 Ford, and it's got the clock in it. The gauges still look good. The body doesn't look bad at all on it. I'm tickled that I was able to pick it up, and I did not overpay. I think I got a good deal on it. But throw down in the comments what y'all think about it. I think it's pretty cool, and make a pretty good ride. I've already got a 302 and automatic picked out for it, so we're that much further ahead on this particular project. So cool, cool. Well, guys, I appreciate you watching. And like I say, if you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up down below on the super thanks. It's much appreciated. And it'll help us a lot on getting these old cars going. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, appreciate it much. Until the next one, hope that y'all have a fantastic day.